In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Fidelity account balance. By the end, you'll feel confident finding your balance, whether you're on the Fidelity website or using the mobile app, and you'll understand what you're looking at when you get there. Let's start with the basics. If you're on a computer, open your preferred browser and head to the official Fidelity website. Log into your account using your secure credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're on the genuine site and that your connection is secure. This helps keep your information protected. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account dashboard. This page is designed to give you a clear snapshot of your accounts at a glance. From the dashboard, click on your account name. That single click is the key to opening a detailed, real-time view of your balance. Here, you'll see the breakdown of your cash and your investments side by side. The cash portion typically reflects what's immediately available in your core position or settlement fund, while the investments section shows the current market value of the holdings in that account. Because market prices can change throughout the day, that investment number updates in real time, so what you see is designed to reflect the most recent market data. If you prefer using your phone or tablet, the process is even more streamlined. Open the Fidelity mobile app and log in. As soon as you're in, your account balances and holdings appear right on the home screen. There's no extra navigation required. You'll immediately see the total value of each account, along with a quick look at what's in cash and what's invested. This view is perfect for a quick check-in during the day, especially when you want an at-a-glance snapshot without digging into menus. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. Keep your app updated so the interface and data load reliably, and make sure your device's time and date settings are accurate to help the app reflect real-time values. On the website, refreshing the page can help ensure you're seeing the latest figures during market hours, and that's all there is to it. Log in on the website and click your account name for a detailed real-time balance with both cash and investments, or log in on the mobile app to see your balances and holdings instantly on the home screen. Now you know exactly how to check your Fidelity account balance quickly and confidently.